Hi, I'm Paul Bonner. Back to school means busy schedules and lots of miles. Keep your Hyundai ready for every drop-off, pickup, and weekend activity with these September service specials right here at Conicelli Hyundai. Start the school year with smooth driving. Your oil change and tire rotation keeps your engine healthy and your tires wearing evenly. Perfect for commuting and family trips. Have a bigger service list? Save more while you get it all done right here with our back-to-school Spend and Save special. You can take advantage of savings all the way up to $150 off. School zones, carpools, and rush hour, your brakes work hard. Make sure they're ready with $25 off front and/or rear brake service. Did you hit a pothole this summer? We got you covered. Keep your steering straight and your tires lasting longer with $10 off our 4-wheel alignment special. Drive into the school year with confidence. Schedule your service today at ConicelliService.com or simply call us at 888-289-5948. Conicelli Hyundai, a nice place to do business.